Number 2, how to form interrogative sentences or questions. Okay, so there are several ways to ask a question or fare una domanda in Italian. In English, we must change the order of the subject and verb when asking a question, unless there is a helping verb. But this is generally not necessary to do in Italian. Okay, so here are 3 common ways to ask a question. Number 1, subject plus verb, and then just adding a question mark. Okay, so tu vai literally means you're going. Okay, so this one, it puts more emphasis on the action. Okay, because we have tu vai as opposed to saying vai tu. Okay, in which we flip the verb and the subject around. Okay, so we put more emphasis on the to by putting it at the end of the sentence. So you're going, you, okay, puts more emphasis on the subject. Okay, so vai tu. Or we can ask a question by saying, by using a question word plus our verb and subject. Okay, so for example, dove vai? Dove vai tu? Literally, where are you going? You. Okay, so you don't need the to on the end unless you're putting more emphasis on it. Okay, you can say dove vai, or you can say dove vai tu, just if you want to emphasize like where are you going. Okay, examples of how to form a question using our question words. Okay, so number 1, you could say, who is that? Okay, so I have our question word in teal or green, our verb in blue, and our subject in red. Okay, just so you can kind of follow along and see what part of the sentence we're looking at. Okay, so who is that? Chi, who, is that? Quello. What is this? Cos'è questo? Okay, so our question word is cos'è, and then we just put it together with a to combine it here into one word. Okay, so we don't say cos'è è, we just say cos'è. Cos'è questo? When do we go? Quando andiamo? Okay, quando is our question word. When. Andiamo is our conjugated verb here. Andiamo. As you can see over here, we have our helping verb in English. Okay, do, but we don't need that in this case in Italian. Okay, so it's just when do we go? When are we going? Where am I? Okay, dove sono io? Dove sono io? So in this case, we have them all in the same order. Okay, where, dove, sono is am and I, io. How is he? Come, lui. Okay, once again, I combined come and a to form one word here, come. Okay, we just use a little apostrophe here. And why do they study? Why do they study? Okay, perché studiano? Perché studiano? Okay, so again, we have these little helping verbs in English, but it's not necessary in this case in Italian. And remember, interrogative prepositions such as a, di, da, con, per, etc., go at the beginning of a question. Okay, if you recall from earlier in the course, we talked about that. So, with whom are you all going? Con chi andate? Okay, con chi andate? So, con is with. With whom is chi? So, con chi, with whom. Andate, are you going? Okay, in the plural here, in the third person or second person plural. And then, get out of there. Okay, from where are you? Okay, from where are you? You wouldn't say that in English, but that's how it kind of translates in Italian. So we would say, where are you from in English? Okay, so remember that you reverse them in Italian. So you wouldn't say, where are you from? You'd say, from where are you? Okay, so di dove sei, of where are you? And just a side note, di, not da, is used when asking where you're from. Okay, so you'd say, of where are you? Okay, there we go.